Hello, dear friends, dear students. I am here, Lalit Kumar P. Bhaiya, Associate Professor, Bharti College of Engineering and Technology, Durg. Dear students, in last 4 videos, we have gone through the instrumentation part of your syllabus. General instrumentation system and measurement of some mechanical parameters like force, pressure, displacement, velocity, etc. Today we will go for the remaining part of your syllabus as the digital electronics. Let us move ahead for the digital electronics. As far as your syllabus is concerned, you have the concepts of Boolean algebra and De Morgan's theorem of the digital electronics. But for learning this Boolean algebra and theorems of the digital electronics, we must know the basics of the digital electronics. That's why I have prepared these slides as a basics of the digital electronics which you must know. Let us move further for this basics of digital electronics. Basic digital electronic concepts we are going to see here. You know, in digital electronics we use the concepts of ones and zeros, that is high logic and low logic. In its outline we will see what is state, what is positive logic, its examples, what is negative logic and its examples, and then logic circuits with examples, etc. Then step by step we will move to our points of the syllabus. Right? Then what is the digital circuit? An electronic circuit in which a state switches between two distinct circuit conditions when there are changes of input states or conditions. States switches means changes. So what is digital circuit? An electronic circuit in which a state changes between two distinct circuit conditions when there are changes of input conditions. What is this state? A distinct condition of output or input voltages or currents or frequency or phases of a circuit. A distinct condition of a output or input voltages or currents or frequencies or phases of a circuit is called as the state. Here we define in digital electronics states 1 and state 0. One of the state is represented by the logic true or 1, or it is also called as a high logic, or in terms of yes or no we can say yes, positive. One of the state is represented by logic true or 1 or high or yes is called as a logic 1, and one state is represented by a logic false or 0 or low or no. This is called as logic 0 state. So these two states we use in digital electronics. This is the example of state 1. Here 5 volt supply is applied from the battery. This is the switch here which is kept on, and this resistance and this is LED which emits the light. So when 5-volt battery is connected through a switch to this LED will be on because switch is closed. So when this LED is on, it states that it is at one state, high logic or logic of 1. So this is called as state 1, logic 1. So here 5-volt supply will be applied, that will glow the LED after connecting the switch, closed switch. Then this is called as logic 1 or high state. Similarly, you can see here the state 0, low state. 5-volt battery, same battery is applied, but switch is off, it is open, then LED will be off, no light glows from the LED. This is called as logic 0 state or low level state. So this is the example of state 0 and state 1, how it is stated. And the another one is called as undefined. There is no 1 or no zeros, even if there is a switch on or switch close. This is called as an undefined state, where no battery is applied. Here you can see no battery is applied, but switch is on, LED will be off. This condition is called as the undefined condition. It is incomplete connection. So this is not defined, either it is 0 or it is 1. Another is undefined is this one. In first case we have not applied the battery here. But in second case we apply the battery head but close the switch. Even then this LED is not connected. By mistake it is written here switch on, it is closed. This is another state which is undefined. So this is neither defines the 0 or nor defines the 1. So this is called as 0 and 1 logic used in case of the digital electronics. 0 logic means low level and high logic means 1. Mere existence of condition 0 volt or no current or no signal or output or switch off does not define the state of a circuit at 0. State, positive logic examples, negative logic examples and logic circuit examples that we want to see. Positive logic means logic 1, high or positive volt or milliampere or frequency. And logic 0 means low or negative volt or milliampere or frequency. This is the logic which we apply here. Positive logic 1s and zeros. Let us say 1 indicates maximum 5 volt and minimum 2.8 volt. And 0 logic indicates maximum 0.8 volt and minimum 0 volt. This can be defined. There may be a change in the definition according to the availability of the logic voltages. So maximum may be 5 volt here we can consider, and minimum may be 2.8 volt for 1. And for 0 logic, maximum we can consider 0.8 volt and minimum we can consider 0 volt. So this is our consideration for logic 0 and logic 1, right? So this is for digital electronics. Or here another example, 1 may be considered plus 5 volt maximum and minimum plus 3.3 volt. 0 can be considered as maximum plus 1.7 volt and minimum 0 volt. In terms of currents, maximum may be plus 20 milliampere, minimum plus 16 milliampere, it is for logic 1, and maximum plus 4 milliampere and minimum for 0 milliampere, it may be for logic 0. And in terms of frequency, maximum 1260 Hz frequency and minimum 1220 Hz frequency for logic 1, and maximum 1060 Hz frequency and minimum 1020 Hz frequency in case of logic 0. negative logic. In negative, there are two logics, positive logic and negative logic. In positive logic, we have defined, in negative logic, logic 0 is defined as high voltage or milliampere or frequency, and logic 1 is defined as low or negative voltage and milliampere or frequency. It is just opposite of the positive logic. In positive logic, for high voltage we use 1 and for low voltage we will use 0. In negative logic, logic 0 is used for high voltage and logic 1 is used for low voltage. This is opposite. Negative logic is opposite, positive logic is different. See here, in negative logic, maximum of minus 1 is represented as maximum of minus 3 volt, minimum of minus 25 volt. And in 0 logic, maximum of plus 25 volt, minimum of plus 3 volt. This is example for negative logic. In terms of 5 volt, 2.8 volt, and output stage of transistor current is 40 microampere. Output stage transistor is off in case of negative logic, that is 1. And output stage of transistor is 4 milliampere. It will be on in case of 0 logic, where maximum 0.8 volt and minimum 0 volt is represent. So this is about the positive and negative logic opposite. Similarly, for the frequency, you can define this 1 and 0 in case of the negative logic, right? Maximum 1260 Hz, minimum 1220 Hz in case of 1, and in case of 0, maximum 1060 Hz and minimum 1020 Hz in case of negative logic. In negative logic, you can show this diagram. When 5 volt battery is applied and switch is connected, the frequency 1220 Hz oscillator will run. This is called as logic 1 in case of negative logic. In case of negative logic, 0 is 5 volt, switch is off, switch is on, and frequency is 1040 Hz. Where we use the modern oscillator here, and this is called as the 0 logic. This is undefined, as the previously we have seen. This is undefined state, and according to this we use digital electronic circuits, right? And here 1 represents a state of circuit, 0 represents another state of circuit. Different family of circuits have different discrete circuit conditions for 1 and 0 states. A condition may be defined by a range of voltages, current, frequency, or phase angle. We also learn mere existence of condition 0 volt or no current or no signal or output or switch off does not define the state of the circuit as 0 or 1. So this is all about the basics of the digital electronics. So dear friends, you must know this digital electronics, what is digital electronics, and on the basis of this simple principle of 0 and 1, we will learn ahead for the digital electronics, right? So what we have seen, I will review it immediately. We have seen what is state, what is positive logic examples, negative logic examples, and logic circuit examples. What is digital circuit we have seen. Then what is state? State means either it is in 0 state or it is 1 state, high logic or low logic. This we have seen, and this state is also defined in terms of voltage, in terms of current, and in terms of frequency and phases also. Then state 1 and 0, we have gone through this, what is 1 and what is 0. So with the help of this we can go for the digital electronic circuits, right? This circuit shows how the 1 is represented, right? And another circuit which we have seen how the 0 is represented with the help of battery, switch and LED. R is represents the current limiting resistors for the LED. Then this is called as undefined stage, where no supply is given, LED remains off in both cases. Supply is given, switch is off. Supply is not given, switch is on. Both are the undefined stage. This is called as no use of the logics. And condition 0 and condition 1 we have seen. We have also seen about the positive logic, negative logic and logic circuit examples. Logic 1 is represented as high voltage or positive voltage or milliampere or frequency, and logic 0 is defined as negative voltage or low voltage or milliampere or frequency. This is the example for positive logic 1 and 0 state. Here we use the plus 5 volt, 2.5 volt as 1 and 0.8 volt and 0 volt as 0. This is positive logic, different values we can set it, and this is the positive logic in terms of current for 1 and current for 0, and this is in terms of frequency, positive logic in terms of frequency for 1 and frequency for 0. This is defined. Negative logic is just opposite. For high voltage we will use 0 and for low voltage we will use 1, or you can say milliampere and frequency in both cases, like maximum minus 3 volt for one logic, minus 25 volt for one logic, minimum and maximum values. Similarly for in negative logic for 0 it is plus 25, and it is just a opposite of the logic 1 and logic 0 in positive logic, right? So this is in terms of voltage and output of the transistor for the TTL circuit. In terms of frequency, just opposite of the first one, we can define these things, right? And this is undefined example of state 1 in terms of frequency. It is example of state 0 in terms of frequency, and this is undefined frequencies, right? So 0, 1 represents state of the circuit, 0 represents another state of the circuit. Then different family of circuits have different discrete circuit conditions. For 1 and 0 states, a condition may be defined by a range of voltages, current, frequency and phase angle. And we also learned mere existence of condition 0 volt or no current or no signal or output switch off does not define state of the circuit as 0 or 1. Okay, so this is sufficient for today. Tomorrow we will go for the another digital part, digital circuit, which will be clear you the operations of the digital circuit, so that we can go ahead for the next operations, right? So I request you kindly go through the basics of the digital circuit. Although the digital circuits are dependent on the states 1 and 0, and the most important how the analog values, analog voltages are converted into the digital voltages. Suppose I want to convert the 5 volt into digital volt, then 10 volt into digital value. So we have a different conversion techniques for the digital, and on the basis of this digital we will learn the digital electronics, and we will go for the circuits which you have in your study. We will also learn the basic gates used for the circuits, because AND gate, OR gate, NOR gate, XNOR gate, these are the basic gates. NAND gate, these are the basic gates which we will use for the digital electronic circuits. So dear friends, next time we will go for these basic gates used in the digital circuit. Like transistors are used in the analog circuits, the same type of transistors are used for the preparation of the gates also. FETs and transistor are used for the preparation of the gate. So next time we will go for the basic gates and digital electronic circuit. Okay. Thank you very much for listening this video. Thanks a lot.